You're gonna change your cassette? Because I heard it's bent.
I got it to shift smoothly last night. I straightened up all the teeth, but I think I over lubed it and I slipped off.
Slipping.
Yeah, too much lube.
How's the bike doing? Eco? You're on Eco or Semi?
I'm kind of tired today, so I'll be 3 or 4.
Oh, okay. Where's the Eco? Messing around with him earlier. He was like, don't say anything about his bike. Talk about the tires or the seats. I know he was like, what the hell?
Like you purposely didn't mention the new bike?
Yeah.
Oh, Twan got new tires. Hey guys, what do you think about my saddle? Nobody mentioned anything like, oh Kev, is that a new bike?
Or the funny one Friday, he was like, oh yeah, Kevin got a new bike.
2, not 1 but 2.
Did you end up getting a new saddle, Robert?
I did, yeah.
What kind did you get, the Ergon?
Yeah. Bike Zoltar recommended. Bike Zoltar approved.
Bike Zoltar. Zoltar right here.
Okay, well he's here, let's go.
Let's go, he's here.
Okay.
It's on Eco still?
Yeah, the 40% eco, man, it's still hard.
Oh, he still didn't take these out, huh? He might return it later.
And you can't now. He rode on the dirt.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
But the trek is like 30 days, do whatever.
Do whatever, yeah. This is 14 minutes
So
as long as you don't ride it
the
on the
clutch
dirt.
has to be up, huh? You have
And they ask for an odometer check.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
At Trek, nothing, dude. They even offered us water and everything. Water
No,
and candies.
direct to consumer, man. They're tight.
How Twan, best bike shop experience, huh?
Oh
Trek,
yeah,
Beverly Hills.
unlimited sneakers,
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder.
unlimited bite-sized sneakers.
Water or sparkling water. I should have gone to tea.
Oh, there was tea?
Yeah.
Like
He said to have some green tea, he said.
this. Oh, green tea?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah,
So Sean.
Beverly Hills.
I know.
So we're gonna do, we should have done the...
We're gonna keep going.
We should have done the switchback.
We're gonna cross Hacienda. We're going to the
Okay.
Tower.
graffiti water tower, cell tower.
Okay, yeah.
Go ahead, sir. We'll follow.
Even though we're not sure that there's any way to get there from here.
There should be, right?
There's that SB.
Should be.
Gotta find out someday. Yeah, someday's today.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. That's a compliment.
What are we doing? Yeah,
Too easy or what?
sort of.
The time I got here last time, I was fucking dying with that one.
Was that you, Rob?
Right?
Was that your bike?
Yeah, we're going straight. But we gotta make sure everybody goes straight. Make sure everybody goes straight. Are they back there?